Hi everyone, hope all is well. In today's video, our objective is to extract Google search result and place it in column C. So how we are doing it normally, we open Chrome, new tab, then type here our keyword, let's suppose testing, then enter. And we are interested in these links. So how this will work, in column A keyword, we will put our keywords if it is 2, 3 or up to so on. Then the status will show us that for this specific keyword, Google search result place in column C. So next time it will ignore. So for now I am running it for first page of Google search. So now I'm pressing this button. Now Google Chrome open. Our keywords will put here automatically marketing. See the output for this only for first page. Now it's time to move toward the script section. So we have two methods. The first one from menu, we have to click on this button. Once click, then you will basic. When we click, then it will open a VBA editor for us. Another method is the shortcut. So from keyboard, we have to type Alt plus F11. So now I am pressing it and it open VBA editor for us. So you can see here on my side, it has a lot of different colors. If you want that how I did it, then tell me in comment section. I will make video on it for you. So now I will share this whole logic with you step by step. So here you can see I just mentioned our logic start from here. So this is the default structure we are using from very beginning. So from here our main logic start. So this is this one is last row. You can see here the mouse is blinking here. So last row is for getting this in column A, getting last row. Then you can see here I put here I is equal to 2 to last row. So from 2 it will look up to last row. In this case the start row is 2 and also the last row is 2. When we put here another keyword testing, then now the last row is 3 and the start is 2. Then I put here a condition to check if already Google search result for a specific keyword is extract, then ignore those keywords. So in this case it will ignore marketing because already done. So this is the condition. Then I put here s is equal to 1 for trigger. So normally we are doing in two ways Google search. The first one is open new tab and type here like marketing and then press enter. This is the first scenario. Another one is after press enter, so it open like this. We can search from here also. So I am putting here testing. So we can press enter button here, but for more information, let's suppose in some cases if enter is not working, so you can see here like button search. So in this second scenario I target this search button instead of enter. So you can see here s is equal to 1, this one I make it green. So this is for trigger. Let's suppose when we run the script, so normally Chrome browser open new tab. So it will target Q is the XPath of this input box. Sorry, this input box, and we are sending our keyword there to 1. So in this case, when new Chrome browser instant open, so S will be 1, and it will increment this and type here enter key. Else this is another, the second scenario, this one, this one. So here it will target this button, the XPath of this button, this one. In previous video I already share how we will find the XPath. So if you are watching this video for first time, then kindly watch the rest of video for better understanding what is XPath, how it's working. le.click mean to click on this button, this one, and then break this loop and come here next. Then wait for time to load the Google result. Then here is another loop, and this loop is for Google search result for these. So this is the XPath, and we are saving it in column C. So this one, the green, I make it. This is the statement in VBA for finding the empty row in column C, and we are putting here the link in column C. Ignore this one. Now next ELE, so it will loop all of the result of Google search and place it in column C. Then here is the next page code. So once the first page is done, then it will look if found next page, then it will click on this button at bottom, this one, and then wait, and then go to and come here, then wait for 2 seconds and do for the next page up to so on. Once all done, then it will clear the input box for the next keyword, and in column 2 status it will show done. So it for the next time it will ignore those keywords. Next I mean it will loop to the last row of column A. So this is the whole logic. If any question, then you can ask. Hope this will help you more. Thanks.